In this video, we're going to talk about adding and canceling like terms. So like terms, we call them like terms if they look alike, kind of like if they're on the same team. Let's call this team Team X. So these have the same variable, so they're like terms. That means that we can add them together. Or in other words, this 5x, I could write this as, well, x plus x. I could write this as x plus x plus x plus x plus x. Right, that's what this 5x is equal to. And this 2x, which I'm adding to 5x, is 2x's, right? So x plus x. Okay, so how many x's do I have in total? Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 x's, so I've got 7x, so I've got 7x in total. Now, that's certainly one way to calculate this, right? Is to break it all up into its tiny little pieces and then put it back together again. That always works. In fact, it's usually a good strategy for problem solving. But I'm hoping that you can see that there's an easier way to do this, and that's just to look at the coefficients. The coefficients, when you add them together, give you the sum. So I know that this is going to be equal to, well, 2 plus 5 is, well, I'll just write it in brackets. 2 plus 5 is 7, and we're going to multiply that with x, so we get 7x, which is, of course, what we got there. Let's do a couple more examples. Let's try this one here, 3x plus 2x minus x. So I'm going to start by thinking about the 3 plus 2. So the 3x plus 2x is going to be 5x. So I've got 5x minus x. And 5x minus an x, well, that's 1x, right? That's a single x. So that's going to give me 4x.